So what tools do you need for this course? Well, for this course you need, first of all, you need a reliable IDE or text editor. And my recommendation is that you install Visual Studio Code, where you can install it from code.visualstudio.com. You can head on over to that link, code.visualstudio.com, and then install it. For Mac, it's gonna say here download for Mac, and you can just click on this and install it as if you are installing any Mac program on your Mac. If you are using Windows, you can select it from here, and it's gonna say here download for Windows by default, or you can click here if it doesn't say that, and you can select your Windows. Here you can select Windows and download the version from here, and you can also install, and you should also install it as if you are installing a program on your Windows. So this is the first thing. And if you already have a reliable text editor or IDE that you feel comfortable coding with, then you don't need to install Visual Studio Code. But if you don't, I'd recommend using Visual Studio Code. So this is the first thing that you need. The second thing that you need is that you need to install XAMPP. XAMPP is gonna allow you to install PHP in order to use PHP for this course. And you can install it from apachefriends.org. You can head on over to apachefriends.org. And I'll be showing you how to completely install XAMPP on Mac and also on Windows in the next tutorials.